What if the tools agencies charge hundreds a month for were already free? Not behind a trial, not buried in a demo, just sitting inside a tool from Google, ready to use today. That is exactly what Gemini CLI just made possible with its new extension ecosystem. And most freelancers have zero idea this exists yet. Hey, what is up? I am Paul James. I help freelancers and small service businesses use free AI tools to compete with agencies. Those agencies are spending way more money than you have to. If you are new here, welcome. On this channel, we talk about leverage, not subscriptions. If you drop a like, share this with someone who needs it, and comment below, I will reply with a link to a free training that shows you how to turn AI tools like this into actual income. And no, I won't try and sell you Go high level, because there's free tools out there now that do the same thing just as good. Okay, so here is the real trap most service businesses fall into. They look at what bigger agencies are doing, they see automated workflows and polished deliverables, they see tools connected together like a well-oiled machine, then they check the pricing pages. Zapier starts at $20 a month, project management software runs $30, professional audio platforms hit $40 or $50, client tools push $60 or more. Before you land your first paying client, you are $300 a month deep. That is a real wall. I know what that feels like. I was building something from my brother's garage with basically no budget. Every dollar I put toward software was a bet I could not afford to lose. And the frustrating part, most of that software was doing simple things, connecting one platform to another, moving a file, generating a document, basic automation wrapped in a pretty interface with a premium price tag attached. Here is where everything changes. Google built something called Gemini CLI. It is a free open source AI agent that runs directly in your terminal. Google just opened up a full extension ecosystem inside it. That means Gemini CLI can now connect to the platforms your clients already use. Google Workspace, ElevenLabs for audio, databases, GitHub, and custom APIs. All of it linking together through a protocol called MCP. You no longer need to pay a middleman automation platform. Gemini CLI becomes the connector itself. I want to give you a framework for thinking about this clearly. I call it the Platform Substitution Framework. Here is the core idea. Every expensive SaaS subscription you pay for is doing one of three jobs. It is either generating something, connecting something, or delivering something to your client. Most tools bundle all three and charge you for the whole package. The Platform Substitution Framework helps you identify which job each tool is actually doing. Then you replace just that job with Gemini CLI and the right free extension. You stop paying for the bundle. You keep the output. Think of it like ordering exactly what you want from the menu, not buying the whole restaurant. Same result, fraction of the cost. That is the mindset shift this framework is designed to create. Stay with me because this next piece is where it all clicks. Let me walk you through how Gemini CLI works. Installation takes one command through Node. You sign in with your Google account. That is the entire setup. No credit card, no expiring trial. Google gives you 60 requests per minute and 1,000 requests per day at no cost. That is more than enough to run a real client service business. And the context window on this thing is 1 million tokens. Most AI tools cap out at 32,000 or 64,000. Gemini CLI leaves those limits behind entirely. In plain terms, that means it can hold your entire client project in memory at once. Every document, every brief, every reference file. All of it in one session with no loss of detail. Most people never realize why that matters so much. When an AI tool works in small chunks, it forgets things. It repeats itself. It misses context. Gemini CLI reads the full picture at once. So what it produces is actually informed by everything you fed it. Now let us talk about the extensions. This is where the tool becomes a legitimate business asset. Run the install command for the Google Workspace extension. Gemini CLI immediately connects to Google Docs, Slides, Sheets, and Gmail. A freelancer doing content work can take a raw client brief and prompt Gemini CLI. It produces a finished, formatted Google Doc in return. That doc lands directly in the client's shared drive folder. No copy pasting between tabs, no reformatting, no cleanup hour, a clean deliverable right where the client expects it. The ElevenLabs extension opens a completely different lane. You can generate, manage, and play back professional audio tracks inside Gemini CLI. Think about what that unlocks for anyone selling podcast production or audio ads to local businesses. The research, scripting, and audio generation all run through one free tool. A local business paying $400 a month for audio content is your ideal client. You can deliver the same quality for less, and you still charge more per hour than you were making before. This part used to stress me out when I was first building automated workflows. Every tutorial made it sound complicated. 6 platforms talking to each other, and if one broke, everything fell apart. The extension system inside Gemini CLI is genuinely different. Each extension installs cleanly. You can see exactly what it can do before it touches anything. There is a plan mode feature that lets you hand Gemini CLI a complex goal. It builds the full step-by-step plan and shows it to you before running a single action. You review it, approve it, and then it executes. That kind of built-in oversight is something most automation platforms charge enterprise pricing to unlock. Here is the angle most tutorials never touch, and it is the one that makes this monetizable. The money is not just in using Gemini CLI for your own work. The money is in using it to deliver faster than any competitor still paying for bundled tools. A freelancer selling content packages can use Gemini CLI with the Workspace extension. They can research, draft, revise, and deliver in one session. A finished article drops straight into the client's Google Drive folder. What used to fill an entire afternoon now runs in under 30 minutes. That time difference is pure margin. You take on more clients, you charge less than agencies. You still clear more per hour than before. For anyone running a small agency, plan mode is worth building a service around. Hand Gemini CLI a complex client project like a full website content audit. It maps out every step before touching anything. You present that plan to the client, they feel organized, they feel taken care of. The tool did the planning work in minutes while you looked like the expert in the room. And when the client asks how you moved so fast, you just smile. Then you move on to the next item on the agenda. And listen, if you have not already dropped a like and commented below, do that now. I will reply with a link to that free training on how to turn tools like this into real income. Let me paint you a quick picture of what this looks like in practice. Picture a freelancer handling email marketing for a few local home service companies. Every week they need blog posts, promotional emails, and social captions finished before Monday. Before Gemini CLI, that was a full day and a half of work. Now they open a Gemini CLI session with the Workspace extension running. They feed in the client's service details and recent promotions. They prompt Gemini CLI to generate the full content package. It saves formatted and ready, straight to the client's Google Drive. The whole batch runs in under 40 minutes. That same freelancer now has the capacity for 2 or 3 more clients. Their schedule does not change at all. Their overhead stays at 0. And here is something that almost nobody in this space is talking about yet. Beginners can use Gemini CLI to build a portfolio before they have a single paying client. You can spin up sample deliverables for imaginary businesses, a sample content calendar for a made-up restaurant, a sample email campaign for a fictional plumber. These samples look exactly like real client work. You bring them to discovery calls, you look like you have done this 100 times. Gemini CLI helps you show up prepared even when you are just getting started. That is what leverage actually looks like, not a promise. Just a free tool replacing things you were already paying for. And the best part is that your clients never see the tool, they just see the results. Picture what your business looks like 60 days from now. You have spent a few weeks building inside Gemini CLI. Your Workspace connection is live. Your audio pipeline through ElevenLabs is set. You are delivering faster than competitors still paying for the stack you replaced for free. Your margin is better. Your client list is growing. And your monthly tool cost has not moved from where it started. That is the Platform Substitution Framework working exactly the way it is supposed to. If you drop a like, share this with someone who needs it, and comment below, I will reply with a link to that free training that shows you how to turn AI tools into actual income. And again, I won't try and sell you go high level because there's free tools out there now that do the same thing just as good. See you in the next one.